The debate in Haiti has brought a lot of attention in the country. What's your take to taking police officers, 1,000 of them from Kenya to Haiti? In the background, has there been trainings? Have there been preparations? Are we exposing people's children in the war front of Haiti? What is your take on that?
Thank you very much, Stephen Leto. I want to say that taking our children, the police officers, to Haiti is ill-timed. It is ill-timed because we are not sufficiently prepared to handle the gangs in Haiti. In addition to that, we are rushing, the president of this country is rushing to make decisions to please the West. There is no need of removing Africans from Kenya to go and fight Africans in Haiti. If you look at the situation in Haiti, number one, the terrain. Kenyans, or rather the police officers in Kenya, they are not very well conversant with the terrain in Haiti. And you remember Napoleon Bonaparte, the military genius, who lost the war, the battle of Waterloo in 1815, just because of the terrain. You take Kenyans, they've not mastered the terrain in Haiti, they will definitely be killed. Number two, Haitians speak two languages. The Haitian Creole, one language, and the second one is French. Kenyans, or rather the Kenyan police officers, not all of them even speak English. And you take them from Kenya to expect them to go and speak French or the Haitian Creole as a language. At what point will they be interpreting the language, and at what point are they going to handle these gangs? Lastly, I want to say that Haiti as a country has its own sovereignty. It gained its own sovereignty between the year 1791 and the year 1804 from the French government during the Haitian Revolution. And it further regained its sovereignty in the year 1934, when the United States of America withdrew their military from Haiti. So I don't expect our president to move in the interest of pleasing others. Here in Kenya, the families of these police officers, have they been assured of the security of their loved ones? And if you are taking 1,000, we also need to be told at regular intervals, or rather monthly, that how many Kenyans, how many police officers will be killed per month. We need to have that data so that we can mourn with these police officers. Si mchezo eti ulikuwa unafikiria kama police officer unachukua tear gas hapo unapiga kwa maandamano. Sasa unafikiria ukienda Haiti pia ni tear gas ndio unaenda kupiga huko. The families of these police officers should be assured, should be told of the compensation, the damages that will be paid in case their loved ones are killed in Haiti. But I can tell you today, if we've not managed to handle successfully the bandits in Kenya, where we know very well, how will we handle the gangs in Haiti who came as a result of the assassination of President Jovenel Moise in 2021? How will we handle these gangs if we can't handle our own bandits in Kenya? The